We see the examples, some of the examples that we have, some of the verbs that we have on the board. We want to see them conjugated so that we can really understand the changes in the stem vowel. Okay, so we start with this one, schlagen. The verb is schlagen, and then the conjugation is ich schlage, du schlägst. The A has changed to E. Du schlägst. And then schlägt. Sie schlägt. Es schlägt. Wir schlagen. Ihr schlagt. Sie schlagen. Sie schlagen. The same way, the same change in the vowel, in the stem vowel, happens to this verb. As I told you, all these verbs, they behave like that. So we have lassen. So we have ich lasse, du lässt, lässt, sie lässt, es lässt, wir lassen, ihr lasst, sie lassen, sie lassen. And then we come to tragen. Tragen, ich trage, du trägst. So you see the change in the vowel, the stem vowel. Trägt, sie trägt, es trägt, wir tragen, ihr tragt, sie tragen, sie tragen. Okay, that is the thing we need to note concerning these verbs, the change or the changes that occur in the stem vowel. And that is the first group. The second group, as we saw it listed, has to do with something that is also closely related with what we have just done. Now, the second one talks about a, u changes to u. A, u changes to u, where, remember, second person singular and third person singular. And I'm going to give you an example now, and the example is the verb laufen. Laufen. Laufen simply means to walk, to run, yeah? And then, how do you conjugate this verb? Let's have the personal pronoun. Remember, we cut off the ending, and then we have this stem, lauf. So we have ich laufe. Remember, we had the I, du, and remember, second person singular, the a, u changes to u. So we have, what are we going to have here? We have du läufst, and then sie, es, then we have, remember, don't forget this one, with umlaut, läufst, and then we have läuft, and then we have the umlaut, and then we have the next one, which is wir, normal, laufen. We have no problem with that. And then ihr, and then the last one, lauft. And then the last one is, what would that be? Sie laufen. Sie laufen. Okay, so this is the second group. A, u changes to u. And then in the conjugation, just remember, second person singular, third person singular, the vowel will change from a, u to u, closely related to the first one. So let's note that in the conjugation of this verb. Okay, with that, I will also want you to know that there is another verb that's also that behaves like this one, and I will just write it with this one here, and that verb is saufen. Yeah? Saufen. Okay? Saufen. So it behaves exactly like this one in the conjugation. And that takes us to the third one. We're going to meet the third one in the next video. Okay. Yeah. Dankeschön. Bis bald.